Hey guys, this is from about 2 years ago. This is a stairs with carpet. We're transferring to hardwood. This is a picture of the hardwood here. After we've taken the carpet off, we did that with like box cutters and pliers. As you can see on the landing there, a portion is still on. Definitely going to want to use like a plier or something to get the staples up afterwards. Here's after we use the sander to get some of the paint and stuff up. There's a little area here of paint and maybe oil or something we got off with the sander after this. But turned out pretty good. So this is the new wood we're putting on here. We got a crowbar we're using. It's tongue and groove, and the way we nail it down is just with finishing nails on the bottom of the tongue and groove before you put the new part of the wood in. Here's more progress on the landing area. As you can see, let's see, we just need to put the trim back on, and here's further progress here. Just use the table saw circular saw to cut and measure as needed on the wood here. Wasn't too bad. Here's the fun part here. Here's where we're dyeing it with the stain on the steps here. Did a few coats, and then at the end went ahead and sealed it up. Kind of had to rub it with some paint cloths as well. And here's the end product here. Painted the other areas here white and did some chair rail and picture boxes too on the side. Again, it's not in depth, but just kind of a short layout here.